our channel. We are excited to introduce you to our latest innovation in agriculture. Our machine is designed to revolutionize the way farmers work and increase their productivity. With cutting-edge technology and advanced features, our machine is set to change the world of agriculture. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. Nexit Tractor. The Nexit Tractor is a versatile machine that can handle a wide range of tasks. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, it's perfect for plowing fields, hauling heavy loads, and performing a variety of other agricultural tasks. (1403C). A mower conditioner that is designed to provide high-quality forage. It has a working width of 13.9 inches and is equipped with a hydraulic suspension system that ensures optimal ground adaptation. Dutchman Manual Tree Tire. A tree tire that is designed to make tree planting easier and more efficient. It is manually operated and can handle trees up to 3 inches in diameter. AutoAgri ICS 20 HD, a hydraulic post driver that is designed to make fence post installation faster and easier. It can drive posts up to 8 inches in diameter and has a hydraulic tilt function that allows for easy post alignment. Holland Broad 11.90X, a grape harvester that is designed to provide high-quality grapes. It has a working width of 11.10 inches and is equipped with a shaker system that ensures gentle and efficient harvesting. Twin DT4. Shaker, a nut harvester that is designed to provide high-quality nuts. It has a working width of 14 and is equipped with a shaker system that ensures gentle and efficient harvesting. Agzeed Agbit 2 055W3, a robotic agricultural machine that is designed to perform a variety of tasks such as planting, weeding, and harvesting. It is equipped with a variety of sensors and cameras that allow it to navigate autonomously and perform tasks with precision. Horsch Lieb PT 280. The Horsch Lieb PT 280 is a powerful sprayer that can cover large areas quickly and efficiently. With its advanced boom design and precise application system, it's perfect for applying herbicides, pesticides, and other chemicals to crops. Żniwa Class Dominator 88 Classic, the Class Dominator. 88 Classic is a powerful combine harvester that can handle a wide range of crops. With its advanced threshing and separating system, it's perfect for harvesting wheat, barley, and other grains. Pottinger 8WDW. The Pottinger 8W is a high-performance plow that can handle a wide range of soil types. With its advanced design and durable construction, it's perfect for preparing fields for planting and ensuring optimal crop yields. Forest Mulcher AHY M650. The AHY M650 is a powerful forestry mulcher that can shred through even the toughest of trees and brush. With its 65 cm cutting width and advanced hydraulic system, it's perfect for clearing forest land, creating fire breaks, or preparing land for reforestation. Svetruk TMF 2821. The Svetruk TMF 2821 is a log stacker designed to provide operators with a good work environment that promotes high production capacity. With its 28 tons capacity in a grapple with telescope in and 21 tons capacity in grapple telescope out, it's ideal for handling high volumes of logs. Moti Pumpkin Seed Harvester. The Moti Pumpkin Seed Harvester is a hydraulically driven machine that can harvest up to 3,900 pounds of pumpkin seeds at once. With its large screening drum, ARS abrasive cleaning system, and electronic control system, it's perfect for harvesting pumpkin seeds quickly and efficiently. Teagle Tomahawk 500 FS. A straw shredder that can handle straw, hay, silage, and haylage. It has a unique fan and rotor system that ensures consistent and even distribution of material pottinger. Holland CR10 90. The Holland CR10 90 is a high-performance combine harvester that can handle a wide range of crops. With its advanced threshing and separating system, it's perfect for harvesting wheat, barley, and other grains. Bracca T26 B Talrik Sharv. The Bracca T26 B is a powerful disc trencher that can handle the most troublesome terrain littered with stones and slashes. It attaches to a large base machine and scarification with the T26.